Hi, friends. This is the math lesson for second grade. Today, we're going to do something a little bit different than we've done before. We are going to do what's called math writing. Basically, we are going to take a math concept and use words, numbers, and symbols to show our understanding. So, for this math writing, this is our prompt. Now, a prompt is just something that you're writing or answering. So it says use the numbers 4, 7, and 9 with the symbols less than, greater than, and equal to make true number sentences. So, what we're going to do is I'm going to show you a couple examples of different number sentences that you can write. And then your job will be to create 3 different ones on your own. If you are in the purple and the blue group, you will be submitting these on Seesaw. You can take a picture or you can read them to me. And if you're in the pink and the teal group, we will be sharing those in our small group. So let's get started. For each number sentence, you are going to do 3 things for me. You are going to write the number sentence. You're going to write that number sentence in word form. And finally, you're going to write the number sentence with a drawing. Now, that might sound a little confusing. I'll show you exactly what I mean. So, for my first one, I'm going to write a 1 just so I can kind of keep things organized. And I'm just going to start off very simple. I'm going to write the number 4, and I'm going to say is less than 7. So that's true, right? 4 is a smaller number than 7. So that's my number sentence. Now I need to write it in words. You can look on page 80 to help you spell all of the numbers correctly. I don't need to use that because I know how to spell them, but I expect you to spell the words correctly using page 80. So now I'm going to write 4 is less than, and you need to include is and you need to include than, 7. So that is my word form. And now finally, I'm going to draw it in boxes, sticks, and circles and put my less than sign in between the pictures. So I'm going to have 4 circles is less than 7 circles. All right, so you're going to do those 3 things for each number sentence. Now, if this is too simple for you, maybe you want to do some 2-digit numbers. So you can use these numbers and make some 2-digit numbers. So I could say 79 is greater than 47. I used the right numbers. I just did 2-digit numbers. So now I'm going to write that. So I'm going to write 79 is greater than, and now I'm going to write 47. And maybe you noticed I forgot one thing. Don't forget that dash between your 10s and your 1s. And then I'm going to draw a picture. So 79, I have 7 10 sticks and 9 circles, my greater than sign, and 4 10 sticks and 7 circles. And there's the second one. It's done. Now, if you're saying, Mrs. Peterson, I need to do bigger numbers, totally fine. You can do 3-digit numbers. Let me give you an example. Number 3. So let's do 947 is greater than 479. So I'm going to go through those same steps. I'm going to write it in word form and I'm going to write it in picture form. So 900, don't forget to use page 80. No dashes until you separate your tens and your ones. So 947 is greater than 479. Whew, that was a long one. And lastly, I can draw it. So I'm going to draw 9 boxes. I'm going to go down here. Let's see, 47 is greater than, I'm going to do a big greater than sign. 479. Whew, that was a long one. All right, friends, so this is your job to come up with 3 true number sentences. You can do all single digits, you can do double digits, you can do triple digits, you can do a mixture of both, but you need to make sure you write it in number form, word form, and do it in picture or drawing form. And again, pink group and teal group, you will share yours during our math group today. And purple group and blue group, you will submit yours on Seesaw. Great job today, friends. We'll see you later.